Good morning! So, I have Orlando. Why do you look so sad?
I don't.
And Isabella. They're all new to this filming in the face kind of thing. We're going to, we're actually going on an adventure because I don't even know where we're going.
Yeah.
It's a pupil free day, so they have a day off school, and I volunteered as tribute to look after them, thank God, because I love that. I love looking after you guys, you know that, right?
Yeah.
It's like we go on a little adventure and it's just fun. We're a good combo, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're a little team. It's 8:48 a.m. So we'll see you soon. We'll catch up with you when we know where we are.
Yeah.
Hello, mister. Pleased to meet ya. I wanna hold her. I wanna kiss her. She's not.
We just was driving in. We're gonna show you what we saw.
Yeah! We're gonna go see some native animals that we just saw on the side of the road. We've got to be really quiet and make sure you don't open the door really quickly because we're on the some kind of main road over here. Oh, can you open my door? So my door doesn't function, so I have to like wind the window down otherwise and like unlock it. All right,
Let's go.
let's go. It's really nice out here. It's so green and luscious. Okay, we have to be quiet because they've seen us. They're really curious. There's so many of them. Kangaroos. There's even horses over there too. Yeah. Guys, come over here. He's got the best piece of grass in the whole of the land.
Yeah.
I think they'll be convinced.
I don't want to jump in.
They're really big ones though. Look at the one in the back. His tail is so strong.
Gonna take you for a ride on a big jet plane.
We got places to go, people to see, things to do, gardens to frolic in. Look at the car herself. Oh look, some roadkill. Why did I have to park right there? Alright, jump in.
Gonna take you for a ride on a big jet plane.
We are 9 minutes away. That's my lucky number. Of course, we're 9 minutes away. We're almost there. So we'll see you when we get there. Also, before I go, I just want to say it's been a while since I've had the camera out, hasn't it? They were like, let's make a video. So we're making a video.
Look at that.
Gonna kiss you in my arms.
Traffic. Thank you.
Update, we're stuck in traffic. We were supposed to be there 4 minutes ago. It's not moving though. It's like a stop sign traffic.
Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your hair down.
Spread this out.
Oh, it's windy today.
Yeah, but it's not cold wind, which is nice.
Hey guys, so we're at our first stop and it's really nice around here.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
You gonna go for a swim?
Yes.
Let's go. Look how clear the water is. It's super clear, hey Belle? Yeah, but it's good for you. I'll get in too. Just dive in. 1.
So sweet. Little girls that touch you.
Hey guys, I think I just found a big shell. Let's go find it.
Bella, hold it up more. Me?
It was around here. It was really big. How big is this? That one is this. Oh yeah!
We've got it wrong, but it's alright.
It's such a beautiful day. We've been blessed with like blue skies and nice breeze, and it's just magical. And I'm really happy that I have this opportunity. I have like the day of work, so I have work this afternoon, but I really wanted to take out Orlando and Isabella, my niece and nephew, today, because it doesn't happen that often where like the stars align and the times align and we get to hang out together. So it's really good to bring them out in nature because they're very busy bodies and they don't get that much time in the great lands, just embracing nature's beauty. And when they're here, they really soak it in, and it just inspires me, the effect that nature can have on us and how important it is to embrace the lessons that nature has to teach us, and especially to place children, make the conscious effort to place children within nature's arms. They're telling me to come.
So, we're still at the river for a while. And that's what the river looks like. So today I found this shell and this really colorful leaf.
She just got a big fright because it's really freezing.
Waking up here to blue skies, and I've been going to sleep a little too tired, but I'm still learning.
I just feel so filled up right now.
On the alcohol a little too 19, but my eyes are growing.
I'm getting interrupted by Isabella because she keeps seeing little dragonflies and butterflies and wants me to capture it on film, but by the time that I get over here, it's gone. Is it still there, Belle? It's not there anymore. How was the water? Was it cold?
Yes, really cold.
It was really cold, but it's nice in the sun.
Yeah.
Cold ground with no shoes on.
My little beauty. Oh. No. Hold on, no, be careful. Orlando is over there. He just swam freestyle and now he's climbing on the obviously tree thing that's fallen. He's being a little daredevil today, and there's been some turtle sightings too. And it's not that busy here. There's just like a few other little people. Blue skies. And I told them that we can go like on an adventure to a few different places, and they want to stay here because it's so nice. It's like so pretty, and you know when the light from the sun hits the water and just bounces back and it looks like the water is sparkling. It's like that right now. Also the sound of the birds is so precious right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's all like the native birds singing their greatest songs. It's lunchtime.
Finally. Didn't Mom say that we had to be home until 1 o'clock?
I don't know. Yeah.
Let's go have some lunch. Well, Daddy can have a break.
We need the water.
Yes.
Here, you take that. Lunchtime.
now we're gonna have our lunch.
So we have a big salad with rice and we have banana bread too. But let's eat the salad first.
My healthiest one.
Vegan chicken, rice, brown rice and quinoa, black beans, edamame beans, tomatoes, rocket and spinach, miso paste, sauerkraut, and olive oil. It's gonna be yum. Munch, munch, munch.
I love the chicken. Vegan is delicious.
There we go. So right now we're doing a little mindfulness practice and we all have a piece of paper and a pen and we're writing a list of 10 things that we love about ourselves. So because it's good to recognize what you like about yourself.
I have a good auntie named Auntie Tanika.
So keep writing. Let's go. Yeah. Then, yeah, okay. Let's share them.
I'm good at singing.
Yeah, you are good at singing. You need to sing more. In the car, I couldn't believe it. And what's your favorite kind of music to sing? Slow music?
Like the music that was in the
Yeah.
I can sing rap, God.
Really? So we just finished eating our lunch. It was so good. It was like a miso green salad. And like I said, I had edamame and like a bunch of things in it. Very, very good. I kind of recreated a recipe from work that we have on our like salads menu. Whew, it's so good. And we're very full. Now we just went for a little walk like around the creek and we found a little oasis. And the water here is so clear, like even more clear. And I think I'm gonna go for a swim in this one. Will you come for a swim with me? Yes. My little friends.
Said this youth is something I've learned to love. Said who am I, there's two sides to a candle. There's two sides to a candle being burned. Cold ground with no shoes on, my old van in your front yard.
I just saw a huge eel. I never seen one so close to me in my life. It was only small actually, Ollie, don't freak. There it is, but you can't.
Bella, I found an eel. There.
The water's really cold, but it's very rejuvenating. Makes you feel alive when you go inside that water. They're laughing at you. As a little trio, every time that we are together we play this game. Well, it's actually just something we've just started to play. We say a letter and then we find like 3 things that are surrounding us that begin with that letter. Today we decided we're going to sit here on the rocks and we're going to make a list of all the things that we can see around us that begin with the letter that I say. So these guys are playing and I'm like the referee kind of thing. So the first letter will be R. They have 1 minute to write down as many as they can. So we're altering the game a little bit. Start thinking, they're gonna get 1 minute and then we're just gonna continue like that. So all different letters and they're inspired by what's around them. So they have to see something around. So for example, rocks. Yeah, there we go. I gave them one already. So let's go. Yeah, let's start.
It's in front of us, Mom.
What she found. Turn it over. So that has like a little animal inside, you know. Look how pretty its little home is. We should leave it here. We're going to wherever the next destination is. I have no idea what the time is, so it is 1 o'clock.
We will see you in the drive.
Yeah.
Peace out. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Did they made it by log? The blue.
Look at that, that's really pretty. The old coat. You could make so many things out of those things, like little tables, stuff like that. So we just finished at the 𝚁𝚾𝙲𝚗𝚍𝚗 rock pools, and it's such a beautiful place. They just went to the bathroom, and we're going to continue just journeying down this main road and see where it takes us. I know for a fact that there's a lot of different beautiful views, and it's quite scenic out here, so I'll just go for a drive, and we still have quite a bit of time before we have to be home, but we're just gonna see where the road takes us. Let's see what we can do. Curious little creatures. We may have just spotted an alpaca. I don't know the difference if it's a llama or an alpaca. Clean, healthy water is a precious resource. Be water wise and use water and water catchments wisely. Gotta keep our trees. We found a waterfall.
Yay, finally. But with widows on it.
This waterfall is so beautiful and it's so calm, and being a public holiday there's not actually that many people, and every time I come here I always think like, why do I not come here more often? I've only been here like twice, and this is like my 3rd time, and I've never done the full loop of the bushwalk, but definitely when I come back next time I will dedicate the visit to this location to the bushwalk itself, because I always end up getting caught up in the beauty of the waterfall, which is within the first like 200 meters of the trail. But I'm not mad about it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It kind of looks like a dead tree.
It does, like the skeleton of like a tree. It's peeing. Apparently if they pee it means they're comfortable. Some vegan banana bread. So I am home now and I have to go to work. I'm so tired. I had the most beautiful day, and I love taking children into nature and bringing them back to their roots. It's something that I just gather great joy from. I don't like, this is off topic, but not really, it's like a transition into the next conversation. I don't like coffee, but I'm that tired and I am about to have a Friday night at work and I need to be like on my feet and on the ball. So I'm making myself a little iced coffee with this almond quench. Like that. I don't even know if there's a lot of coffee. It's like really not that much. The only thing that I love about coffee is like the little patterns. So I'm just gonna leave it here, say goodbye. I'm just drinking my coffee, iced coffee. It's okay. I put a lot of milk in it, but I'm hoping that it picks me up for work. I have work and I have to leave in about 20 minutes, so I have to like hit the road really quickly. But I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I'm going to have many more videos coming. I still need to update you all on what happened and why I'm back in Australia. But anyway, for the meantime, goodbye and enjoy the rest of your day.